On lesson 6. We're going to be doing 3 problems in total, and we're going to be looking at fractions and parts of those fractions. So without further ado, let's get it popping. Okay, 5th graders, so here we have a problem that is asking us to find a number of rows in the total number of rows. Okay, so this figure has a value of 9 triangles, and it wants you to find how much one of those 3 rows is worth. So what I am going to do is take a look at the first row here. I'm going to count how many triangles I have. 1, 2, and 3. So that means that one row out of these 9 total rows is going to give me 3 holes. Now let's take a look at 2 of those 3 rows. Instead of having just 3, we're going to double it, and it's going to be 4, 5, and 6. So 2 rows of these 3 is worth 6 holes. So now you can probably guess what the third one is going to be. It's going to be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So 3/3 of 9 is going to give me 9 holes. Perfect. So now let's move on to one that's a little bit different. Okay, perfect. Here in number 2, it's asking you to do the following. Encuentra 4 séptimos de 14. Dibuja un conjunto y sombrea para mostrar tu razonamiento. In other words, 4/7 of 14 is worth how much? So if we write it out, it looks something like this. You have 4/7 of 14. Now I'm going to draw one of those beautiful tape diagrams. Hopefully none of you have forgotten them. And I'm going to have a total of 7 rows inside. Okay? And this whole thing is going to be worth 14 holes. So imagine there's 14 things in here. Okay, there's 14. And I want to know how much is 4 of those rows. 1, 2, 3, and 4 is worth how many total here? And you can probably count those, and it is going to be 4, 7, 14 is equal to 8 holes. Okay, I hope that helps for that problem and makes it a little bit clearer. Let's take a look at number 4. Esta dice, hay 32 estudiantes en una clase. De la clase, 3 partes de 8 traen su propio almuerzo. ¿Cuántos estudiantes traen su propio almuerzo? So this question is asking, if there are 32 students in a classroom and 3/8 of the kids in that classroom bring their own lunch, how many students brought their own lunch? So it is asking you to take the entire class, which is 32 students, and find how much 3/8 of 32 is. So in order to do this, again, I'm going to draw a beautiful tape diagram. And now it's going to have 7 rows. That's 7 rows. 7 lines making 8 rows. 1, 7. Okay. And inside of here, I'm going to have a total of 32. So 1, 2, and done. Now I want to know, how much would 3 of these rows have in total? Well, if one is worth 4 and the other is worth 4 and the other is worth 4, an easy way would be take 4 times 3, which will give us the total value, and that's 12. So that means that 3/8 of 32 is 12. All right. I hope this video helps. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe. You guys know what to do, because if you don't, I will stop giving my dog treats. And I'm sure you all want her to have plenty of treats. Take care.